Morning. Oh, sorry. Sound crazy. Morning. Just woke up. It's like 11 something. I have no idea. Doing a really good job of sleeping every single day until like past 11. About to go get brunch. Gonna try and find a place. I think I know a place. I hope that their food is actually good. Still having crazy dreams, which I find very interesting. I had a dream that this guy who I knew when I was in high school, we were living together inside of like a stone mansion. And for some reason, first of all, it was my mansion, by the way, in the dream. And he was annoyed that I was like picking up the phone after somebody had called him. I don't know. It's all very, very weird. I have very weird dreams and I've been having them since I was a kid. Yeah, so basically chose like the rainiest month to come here. And it's a different experience, but it's still nice. The streets are almost always relatively empty and there's always nice stuff to see. So yeah, anyway, definitely gonna go get some food because I haven't eaten since last night. It's raining so much that the water's actually coming up onto the area where you would normally be able to sit and have picnics. They even had to like close off. You can see all the, I mean, a bit more when you're this way, like all the rapids in the actual ground, especially over there. Yeah, just won't stop raining. Just got done eating, left the Kozy place. I'm a bit disappointed. I won't lie. I heard that place was like the go-to place for a long time. The portion size was very small. I got pancakes with like bacon on top, and they had some other like little like red spice. I don't know exactly what it was, like tomato, or I don't even know what it was supposed to be. The problem is that the pancakes were cold. One side of the bacon was raw. The other side was like completely burnt. Not like slightly burnt, but like burnt. Yeah, so could have done without it. I'm still like super hungry, not even like slightly hungry. I'm like actually starving. There was no food on the actual plate, and the teas were also like lukewarm. It just didn't make any sense. Anyway, we're gonna find something else to eat and to walk around a little bit more. just got finished eating at that place that I just showed you. It's called Breakfast in America. Okay, no, cars are coming. Yeah, I was starving. After the first place, I was actually a little like hangry because there was just like no food, and then I needed something to eat, and now it's like 2, almost 3 in the afternoon. So actually ended up getting some proper food, so I'm feeling a lot better now.
Comme pas sur la place, mais ok.
On a bit of a dangerous street. This is like the actual place for the buses, but this bakery right here, I used to go to this every single morning years ago. I actually have there's a friend who I know who lives around that corner, and I used to stay at her place for months at a time many years ago, and I used to go to that bakery every morning. It has like a very special mental place, at least in my heart. I know it's mental, but you understand. Anyway, I used to go there all the time, so it was nice walking by it again. If I'm not mistaken, I believe this is the oldest or one of the oldest buildings in Paris. I'm actually certain it's the oldest. That like it's still standing. You can even tell the difference from the one and all of them directly next to it. You can see like the bulge that it has around there. It's quite fascinating. It looks like it's about to fall apart any second, but here it is. just had dinner. It was delicious. We found a French place. People walk. There we go. It was a French place. Yeah, I mean, in the video, you can't really tell exactly what it is that I was eating. It's basic. So found that it's a shepherd's pie. It was like creamy mashed potatoes on top and then like beef under it. It was absolutely incredible. Yeah, still raining, but not as much as it was over the course of the last long, however. But yeah, just taking a little night walk at this point. Not many people outside as you would have imagined, but been a pretty good day overall.